I'm more than just a picture. I'm a daughter and a sister. Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a rumor or a song on your computer. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch.
Alright, so couple this time better. So make sure couple na malaki po ang inyong unang slice on your wedding cake. So couple, slice your cake.
How sweet it is to be loved by you. How sweet it is to be loved by you. Even sugar, someone's arms.
Alright, thank you so much. And guys, in this part, of course, I invite our couple here on our center stage po, together with your first sliced cake. Alright? And guys, dito naman po natin malalaman kung gaano nila kamahal ang isa't isa po base po sa laki ng slice na isusubo po nila sa isa't isa. Let's start, Mr. JM, show your big love to your beautiful wife. Alright, thank you so much. And of course, Madam Donna, uso po ang kumante. This time, show your big love to your husband. Go! Alright, thank you so much. Come on, message to the couple, please.
Punong-puno na to eh.
Ano pa sa sila?
Boy, nag-iisip.
Donna's best friend.
Walang script?
So, kilala ko si Donna
Ano script ka rin sarili?
2018 sa Shell. So, sabi ko sana
Uy,
gusto ko i-share
isipin mo na pala yung bike.
Pero let's start with how I got to know Donna. Si Donna, naging work bestie ko, and eventually she became like a sister to me. Someone you can tell everything to without a fear of judgment. And
Buti hindi ba siya nakapag-ready?
Strong, kahit na umalis na siya sa Shell. So, noong una, akala ko si Donna ay nahigig lang yung tipong work lang, ganyan. Pero eventually, na si ate, palawan pala. Minsan akala namin galit siya, pero normal voice na lang pala yun. So, matangin lang talaga siya, pranga at hindi papatalo. Isa siya sa mga tao, hinihigay ang best niya in everything she does, kahit gaano pa kalayo na bagay, especially sa family and friends niya. Isa talaga sa hinahangaan ko kay Donna is how selfless she is. She gives and provides as much as she can, to the point na minsan nakakalimutan na yung sarili niya. And I also witnessed her low moments. I remember telling her to pray, na sana dumating yung tamang tao na magmamahal sa kanya, maiintindihan siya kahit anong sitwasyon. At hindi siya iiwan. Kasi let's face it, for me, iba talaga kapag mas mahal ka nung lalaki. Andun yung effort and sincerity. Donna kasi sobrang independent. Kahit kaya niyang mag-isa, I think she deserves someone who can give her love and peace of mind. At eto na nga, hindi ko naman na-expect yung kasama lang namin mag-merienda, mag-ismisan, siya na tuloy magiging forever ni Donna. Si Moy nainig lang kasi sa work, hindi ko madamdaman na gusto siya kay Donna. Kahit nung pandemic, nung lagi silang nag-mobile diligence, kahit naging sila, may doon ako nung mag-diligence. Sabi ko nun, ay, baka sandali lang yan. Feeling ko kasi hindi seryoso sila. Pero I guess that's how Lord works. He grants your prayers when you least expect it. And doon nalaman ko naman yung mga efforts ni Moy, kung pumunta siya sa Batangas.
So sir, message to the couple, please.
Si Moises, kinakapatid / kaibigan, tropa, kaya kasama ng tropa. So, since high school, magkasama na kami nito. Tahimik lang talaga sa tabi, pero nilabot ko ng mga chicks sa school na. Tahimik lang, pero malupit sa school. Hindi naman siya, pero mabay naman, wala. Pero bata. Wadas pa. Wala na akong saksay, boy. Ano niya? Pakakulang tao. Dami akong pinagkagyan. Wala akong bantanan. May nagkaroon ng kaaway. Yung tropa lang nila. Since high school. Kahit ako nakakasama tayo. So, sana mabuti ka. Pag-ibig kami sa bago mo. Ay, boy! Mabuti ko sa bago mo sa tao.
hours later.
Kapag sa TV mo, okay, kaya? MJRCB is perfect! Alright, next! Music! Stop now! Ito naman, susunod ka. Ito pinilisan mo. Stop now! Yes! Alright, next! Music!
Galing mo! SM?
SM is correct! Alright, next! Music! Katawan na TV. Katawan is wrong. Sa action ginamit yan. Yes po. Palibas na lalaki is correct. Sa akin namin. Okay, next music. Netflix is correct. Alright, next.
Ang gana pagkatod sila. Dito ka.
Capitalinos is correct. Alright, next music.
Doon ka.
Talaga magiging mapatayan si Sam. Cocomelon is correct. Alright, next music. Yes, sir. Chamboy is correct. Alright, next music.
Mario!
Super Mario is correct. Pac-Man is correct. Baka ibang channel yung place na. Next
Sayang.
music. Opo. Global Cycles. Okay. Global is correct.
Huwag ka lang pala.
Next music.
Ayan eh.
Yun yun. Super Mario is correct. Alright, next music. It's showtime is correct. Pero sir, bago mo makuha yung papremyo, kailangan may pasample ka muna. Isang sample lang, what's up? Mga people to the highest level. And 1, 2, 3. What's up, mga people? Medyo parang puntas version, medyo pinapos na. Okay? Next music. Ako na nabasa pa na. Mr. Bean is correct. Okay, next music. Frame of Reka is correct. Pero sir,
Paborito ko yung
bago mo
dati.
makuha yung 500 pesos, bigyan mo muna ako ng character. Di ba character from Frame of Reka? Go!
Kabisado ko natin yun.
Another song for 500 pesos. Bigyan mo na ng chance yung mga hindi na nakapabuhay ng premyo. DJ Music. 500 pesos. What is the title of this? Oh, yeah.
Yes, Mike.
Ano, hindi pa bigyan ng namin yung ligaw ko. Doon, yung hindi ka nanalo, bibigyan mo ng pagkakataon yung mga hindi mo nanalo. What is the title of this? Hindi pa ba ito nanalo si Sam? Ay, okay yung si Super Mario. Oo. What is the title, sir? Super Mario is right! Okay, Miss Giselle. Also, congratulations to Miss Lala. Also, congratulations to Miss Jane. Please come forward. Also, we have Miss Lara. Alright, Miss Lara, please come forward. Tanya, also you here. And also congratulations to Harold, Varnish, Joel, Monk, Kier, Red, Justin, Jair, and Jesus. Okay, come on. Please come forward. Yung mga tinawag namin yung receiving special gift. And let me invite our couple. Coordinators, makikisuyo po. One of our couple here. Para mapanood na yung ating segment. Okay. Sige guys, ito po kayo sa kabilang slide po.
5 hours later.
Ikaw na talaga nagpudot sa ilahan. Okay, girls, sino lamang po ang mechanics? By the way, what's your name, ma'am? Okay, girls, sino lamang po ang mechanics? Trip to Jim is there. Okay? Habang may music, ikot po kay Sir Mac. Pag stop ng music, ito ang twist kung sino umupo out of the game. Because the last woman standing wins the game. Sir Mac, dalawa kayo sa gilid po. Kamay po sa gilid. Saan mo pupunta? Dalawa kamay. Okay. May tanong lang po, may mapapasag po ba? Hindi. Hindi ko cellphone, sir. May ako magkaya. May cellphone po ba? Safe naman. Okay, girls. The last woman standing wins the game. DJ, here's it. Ikot. Talagang sabay-sabay na kayo. Okay, you will take your seat. Okay, next, here's it. Ayun. Dalawa na lang. DJ, here's it. Sino po po? Si Madam. Pero may rules po kasi eh. In every rule, there's an exception. May mga rules na pwedeng magbago. Ikaw muli po po, Madam. Ibig sabihin, ikaw ang panalo. Thank you so much po. Okay, so ito na po tayo. And let me invite you all the coordinators. And of course, may kukuhaan, Brian. Dito ko muna. And of course, Sir JM, dito po tayo. Okay, Sir JM, kamusta naman po kayo tonight? Kinakabahan, pero nag-enjoy po kayo tonight? Okay naman, sir. Ngayong gabi, special day na po. Look at your guests, smile on your faces. Dahil dyan, sir, pagtayo po silang lahat ngayong gabi ng iyong sexiest hands ever. Sir JM, sayang naman po yung tunnel na nirentahan po ninyo. Doon tayo sa dulo! Alright, Sir JM, from your here, papunta with your lovely wife. Pakita ko kami magkalawang pang-adonis. Sir JM, igilin mo. Yan na. Sexy. Sige. Ito mo. Okay, Sir JM, look po. Okay, look po, Sir JM. Marunong po kayo mag-swimming. Magaling po mag-swimming. Ako nga rin sa gilid. Dalawa kami po sa gilid. Ang rules po natin, bawat pong pigilan ang mga pumapasok na pinaya. Sir JM, kung yung partner, is your team in your mouth? Sir JM, sisipin mo. Pasok. Pasok. Ang taas na ng galo mo. Sir JM, saan ang galo na po? Alright, thank you so much for pagkain natin. And Cole, dito muna po rin kayo. And let me invite na. May nakaman mo. And of course, Sir JM,